I'm Astha Karkee and currently I'm working as a nutritionist and dietitian in Mitahara. Also, I work as a research assistant in Symbiosis International University, Pune. Actually, it depends on the age of the children. Children between the age 1 to 3 require 16 grams per day, whereas it keeps on increasing. By the time they reach around the age 14 to 15, 55 grams of protein is needed per day. That's why it actually depends on the age of the children. If we are talking about infants or the babies below 6 months of age, exclusive breastfeeding is required, and it is recommended in a time period of 3 hours with the gaps of 3 hours each. But if the baby demands more milk, it's no harm in feeding the child more milk. Being a nutritionist, I recommend them giving sweets in the form of jaggery, honey, or certain types of fruits rather than giving the simple sugars. In that, we can actually be innovative rather than giving them the vegetables in the normal form. Let's talk about carrot or cauliflower. We can actually make it a finger foods or different innovative star shaped, moon shaped, cut them in certain pieces and then provide them. That will increase the interest of children. Actually, like us, children also get bored of same type of routine, so it's better to give variety of foods with different nutrients. You can change the diet in the alternate days. When the kids don't like the taste or presentation of the food, or usually when they are undergoing the growth spurts, during that time the children become fussy eater. So in that case, don't try to force them to eat, but rather let them feed on their own. Usually food allergy in kids is seen in case of peanuts, fish, or eggs. So I won't say that it will affect the nutrition of kids because we have alternatives in this kind of food products. So if your kids are allergic to certain food, give the alternative of that food. Exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months is really important. During that period, you don't even need to feed your children water or anything else because everything is present in the breast milk itself. In practically, if we see that mother usually washes her hands and dips to check the temperature of the food. So there is no the ideal temperature, but if it's warm enough that the child can tolerate, that is the proper temperature to feed your child. Thank you.